Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we have I guess it's the third box now. First one was Christina Griffiths and then Helen Griffin, and now we have Paula Pasquale, and this is a really pretty floral, pinks and greens and silvers. Comes in the nice sturdy box that you can keep. What box it is, so you can line them all right up and use that together. Other odds and ends wrapped all pretty in tissue. Then you usually get a coupon code. So anyway, let's open this one first. I like to reuse this tissue, so this is the box of book of inspiration of little projects and things that you can make, and some little confetti. Some nice black and white twine, which is always handy. It goes with so many things. These are adorable, the little blending buds for ink blending. And then the three inks are pink, like an light olive pear green, I guess you could say, and then this sort of looks like a deep teal kind of color. So very, very pretty. And these are hybrid inks, so you can use them with multiple mediums, which is nice. Media, I should say. Some pretty rhinestone embellishments. Her little card, be a rainbow maker, add a whole spectrum of color to your life, and then like a little swatch chart there, and then some color coordinating a cardstock. So you've got this sort of lime green, bright happy color box, this teal, yeah, so that'll go nicely with that ink, a pink, and then a silver card. Sturdy Velcro wallet, and oh, I opened it correctly this time. So this kind of has a mixed media feel to me, which I love. I like to do mixed media. Of course, we always love a good stencil. This stencil you can use on its own, or it coordinates with the dies according to what I've seen. A nice sort of mosaic pattern there, some flowers, and then a nice little dotted bit there. So in cheery florals, little corner there with text, stars and pinks, stripy multiple pattern there, and then repeats. So you get two of each, it looks like. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Lots of sentiments there, and it's a nice font, so it's great for layering on cards there. Be kind, be bright, be you, sending love, birthday wishes. For the either your stencil or the dies coming up, this beautiful floral here, a text heart, which is fun, and then sort of like a washy look there. Foil is the thing of the day here, little tags, little sentiments. You could back these on card to make them sturdier, and so forth. So then here to the dies, this beautiful piece here with this lovely sort of ticket, postal border, and then stitched. This is stitched on both sides of the line here, and then this is really pretty with that inner and the outer piece. So lots of dies there, banners, dots, a couple banners, dots, circles to make tags, this heart here with a similar pattern to that stencil, it looks like. So let's go ahead and make some projects. Okay guys, so jumping into my cards here again, sorry for a head cold. Cold at Christmas. First card is a square card, so I'm making use of the dies, the layering dies that come in the kit, and taking that pink and then that stitched stripe and star, and then the sort of postal out of one of the corners of the pattern paper. And I have an extra strip of the scrap of the pink that I'm going to stamp my sentiment on. And so I'm just going to go ahead and glue those on down with that tonic glue that I got in a tonic craft kit, I believe. So just making layers. Once I have that, I'm picking out my sentiment here. Lots of nice skinny sentiments that you can fit in lots of nice places. Getting that teal green, what I call teal green anyway. And just stamping it right on there. Looks like I messed that up and I flipped it over and did it again on the other side. So I should have used my stamping platform, but you know how that goes. And then the U, and just going to glue that down on the side there, so it's, you know, a side sort of vertical sentiment. Looks like I was adding some more of those little flower tone on tone sort of look there just to give it a little something something. A little afterthought there. And then just gluing that right down on the vertical part of that card. I think I did that slightly crookedly, unfortunately. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Maybe my stamping's crooked. And then taking some of the rhinestones that come in the kit and putting them in various places there. They're very pretty and shiny. So it's nice, the kit, you get everything you need in there to make several cards. I only made 3, actually 4, and you'll see why, but 3 unique ones. Now set card number 2, I've got that lime green and some of that pretty floral, and I have some strips of maybe 3/4 to 1 inch each, and then the heart out of the silver that comes in the kit. And then I did a plain lime to back that. So when you look through there, you see the lime. It's a pretty pattern. Great for Valentine's Day coming up, or just whenever. And then I'm taking these strips. My idea was to put them on the diagonal like this, and it did work. But you'll see when we get to the lime one, it's a hair short, and I noticed that later on, and I actually make this card over again and do the exact same thing wrong. Because that's how I roll. And as I'm putting it together, I don't think I've quite noticed yet, but you can probably see it here. Popping that heart on a foam square there, or rectangle. And I think those are from the dollar store. I'm using up there. You get them in the automotive department if you can't find them in the craft supply there. And then I'm going to go ahead and stamp on the lime with that teal, a sentiment there. And lots and lots of great usable sentiments. And it says you, so when we put the U on it, it'll say you are one of a kind. Pretty. I like it. It's just simple. The heart goes on there, and then the U I'm going to glue right in the middle of that heart. In retrospect, I probably would back that U on a little bit darker cardstock so it pops out a little bit better. It looks more popped out in real life, but putting foam tape there, the magic of YouTube, on the back of my card, and onto a white card base. So this is an A2 size American card. And here's where I'm noticing that bit there. I don't know if you saw that green. There it is. Oh no. And so I completely redid the card and did the exact same thing. I just wanted to show that to you, just to encourage you. If that kind of stuff happens to you, it happens to everybody. On to the third card. I'm making use of those beautiful medallion looking type, I don't know what you want to call it, but they're very, very pretty. And I cut that out of the silver and backing it with the teal. Beautiful focal point. And yeah, super fun die set. It's very usable. You can really get your money's worth with these kits. So far, so good. I've got some more strips there, and I've got some white cardstock, and I had a thought that I'm going to go ahead and do some stenciling with those tiny little cute foam buds. And I picked the dotted pattern there, and so I'm just quickly going on, takes 2 seconds, and getting some background there, just to give the little background. I didn't do anything yet with the floral part there in this video. I got sick shortly after this, and then Christmas came, and so on and so forth. So just making a quick pattern there. So there are tons more stuff you can do with this kit, but here are just some great ideas there. Hopefully, well, I liked them. Except don't make that mistake with the cutting your cardstock too short. So now I'm doing the strips in a vertical manner and putting the lime on either side, and then I'm going to trim the excess off. And there I go. And then I'm going to pop up that medallion on some foam adhesive. They kind of fit right in those petals. And then putting that right on the middle. Very pretty. And then I'm going to use the stickers. They have the nice circle there with the die cut sentiment all ready to go, which is helpful if you're in a hurry.
And I'm going to put that right in the middle there, just gluing that down and then popping that on a card base. I just took my pink extra there and gluing that down and leaving a little border of pink, and then I'm going to trim off the excess on my smaller Fiskars trimmer. Easy peasy. Great kit, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit like and subscribe if you'd like to be notified of your next video. That would greatly help and support. I want you to have a great crafty day. Thanks so much.